eyes lighting up. Lisa, guess what magical realm we're venturing into today? The land of object-oriented programming, or OOP for short.
Ooh, sounds fancy. Is it like objects talking to each other? Like my phone talking to the Wi-Fi?
Precisely. In a way, think of it like this. Instead of just writing a long list of instructions, OOP lets us create blueprints for things and then build individual things from those blueprints.
Blueprints? Are we building houses now?
Even better, we're building, well, almost anything in our code. Let's start with the two superstars, classes and objects. Imagine you want to create a game with lots of different characters, heroes, villains, cute little goblins. Instead of writing separate code for each, you create a class called character.
So, character is the blueprint?
Exactly. And when you create a specific hero, say Sir Lancelot, from that character blueprint, Sir Lancelot becomes an object, a real, tangible instance of that class.
Oh, I see. Character is capitalized, and then Sir Lancelot and Goblin are lowercase, and underscore init. What's that magical word?
Underscore init. That's our special constructor method. It's like the moment you build something from the blueprint. When you create Sir Lancelot equals character of Sir Lancelot, 100, underscore init automatically runs, giving Sir Lancelot his name and health. These are his unique characteristics, his attributes.
So, name and health are attributes. Are there different kinds?
Great question. Yes, the name and health we just saw are instance attributes. They belong specifically to each object. Sir Lancelot has his name. Grog the Goblin has his. But what if we want all characters to have a universal trait, like a maximum number of lives they can have in the game? Let's say 3. We can use a class attribute.
So, max lives belongs to the character class itself, not to a specific Sir Lancelot?
Exactly. It's like a shared secret among all characters. Now let's talk about what our objects can do, their methods. Methods are simply functions defined inside a class. Just like attributes, we have a few flavors here too.
More flavors? This is getting delicious.
First, the most common, instance methods. These methods operate on the specific instance of the object. For example, Sir Lancelot might have a take damage method.
Self again? What's the deal with self?
Self is like the object's way of saying, hey, I'm talking about myself. When Sir Lancelot take damage 20 is called, self inside take damage refers to Sir Lancelot. It lets the method access that specific object's attributes, like its health. Next up, class methods. These methods operate on the class itself, not a specific instance. They're often used for things that affect all objects of that class or to create new instances in a special way. Let's say we want a method to tell us how many characters have been created in our game.
@classMethod and CL. What are those?
@classMethod is a special Python decorator that tells Python, hey, this isn't a normal instance method, it's a class method. And CL is just like self, but for the class itself. It's convention to use CL for class methods. It lets us access class attributes like total characters. Finally, the simplest of them all, stylic methods. These are like regular functions, but they're grouped inside a class because they logically belong there. They don't need access to self, the instance, or CL, the class. Imagine a character class having a method to just display a general game message.
So, display game tip doesn't care about Sir Lancelot or the character class's internal data. It's just a helpful message.
Exactly. It's just a utility function that makes sense to put within the character class because it's related to the game's context.
Wow, Wiz, that was a whirlwind tour. So, classes are blueprints, objects are the things built from them, attributes are their characteristics, and methods are what they can do. And there are different kinds of attributes and methods depending on whether they belong to the object, or the class, or neither.
Absolutely. You've got it, Lisa. You have successfully navigated the first level of the Pythonic Oak Dungeon. With these tools, you can build much more organized, reusable, and manageable code. Imagine building a whole game now, with clear characters, items, and levels all interacting beautifully.
This is really cool. I can already see how this makes code so much cleaner. Thanks, Wiz. I feel like I just leveled up.
Beaming. My pleasure, adventurer. The Pythonic quest continues.